everybody again. So today we're going to learn about Venn diagrams. Let's start. In 1880, mathematician John Venn began using overlapping circles to illustrate connections between sets. These diagrams are now referred to as Venn diagrams. For example, if E is the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, A is the set of numbers from 1 to 7, and B is the set of numbers 4, 5, and 8, then the Venn diagram looks like this. Notice that the universal set is shown by drawing a rectangle, and then each set within the universal set is shown as a circle. The intersection of the sets A and B is contained within the overlap of the circles. The union is shown by the region enclosed by at least one circle. Here are some examples of Venn diagrams and shaded regions to represent concentric sets. The rectangle represents set E. The circle represents set A. Set A and set B are disjoint. They have no common elements. A and B is the shaded portion. ARB is the shaded portion. Venn diagrams can also be used to show the number of elements in a set. In this case, M is students doing math and S is students doing science. Not A is the shaded portion. Not ARB is the shaded portion. And here A is fully enclosed in B, which means A is a subset of B. Work example 7. For the following sets, E is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. A is A, C, E, H, and J. B is A, B, D, G, and H. Illustrate these sets in a Venn diagram. List the elements of the set A and B. Find N, A, and B. List the elements of the set ARB. Find N, A, R, B. And list the set A and not B. So here's the Venn diagram. And look at the region that is contained within the overlap of both circles. This region contains the set A and H. So A and B is A and H. The number N of A and B is 2, as there are two elements in the set A and B. ARB is sets of element A of A or B or both, which is A, B, C, D, E, G, H, and J. The number of elements is 8, and A or not B is the set of all elements that are both in set A and not in set B, which is C, E, and J. Exercise 9.1. Given the Venn diagram to answer the following questions. List the elements of A and B. So the elements of A are 6, 12, 18, and 24. And the elements of B are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. List the elements of A and B. So they are 12 and 24. List the elements of A or B. So those elements are 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 18, 20, and 24. Question 2. Use the given Venn diagram to answer the following questions. List the elements that belong to P and Q. So the elements that belong to P are A, B, C, D, E, and F. And the elements that belong to Q are E, F, G, and H. List the elements that belong to neither P nor Q, and P but not Q. So the elements are J, I, and J. They belong to neither P nor Q. And the elements that belong to P but not Q are A, B, C, and D. Question 3. Draw a Venn diagram to show the following sets. and write each element in its correct space. The universal set is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. A is B, C, F, and G, and B is A, B, C, D, and F. E is the whole. So here is the first Venn diagram. Okay, on to the second Venn diagram. E is the whole numbers from 20 to 36 inclusive. A is the multiples of 4, and B is the numbers greater than 29. So here is the second Venn diagram. Question 4. The universal set is students in a class. V is students who like volleyball. S is the students who like to play soccer. There are 30 students in a class. The Venn diagram shows the numbers of the students. Find the value of X. How many students like volleyball? How many students in a class do not play soccer? So X is 6, because then the total of all the numbers would be 30. How many students like volleyball? So you can see here 10 plus 6, which is 16. How many students in a class do not play soccer? So it's 10 plus 6 again, which is 16, but it's a different 6, because this 6 over here contains the students who do play soccer. So, that's the end of this video. Thank you and goodbye. Oh, wait, no. Question 5. Copy the Venn diagram and change the region which represents a set A and not B. So, that's the end of this video. Thank you and goodbye.